Hello everyone, my name is Cathy. I'm a dietitian at the Pella Regional Health Center. I am going to show you how to make a quick, easy, heart-healthy recipe for American Heart Month. Okay, so I got my ingredients all ready. I got my chicken breasts, a nice lean protein for this dish. So you first put the chicken in the pan. Chicken makes a nice protein base because it is so lean. Other nice lean protein that you could use in this dish would be a nice lean pork loin or a sirloin steak. So to go along with this recipe, there is a marinade that you put on the chicken. So you start with olive oil, and then there's oregano and some lemon juice, lemon zest, garlic, and oregano and pepper. All of those spices and seasonings really bring out the flavor of the dish. It's heart healthy because there's no salt. So I got my olive oil. I'm going to add my lemon juice and my lemon zest to that. I got my pepper. I got my garlic. Garlic makes a nice flavor, and it's nice and heart healthy. Oregano. Just gonna whisk that up. Then it's gonna go on the chicken breasts in the pan. This recipe came from a Mediterranean cookbook. Mediterranean diet is good for heart health, like I said. It's good for diabetes, stroke. If you want to lose weight, it's a nice meal plan to use also. All right, so I've got my olive oil base on the chicken now. Now I'm going to add some potatoes. I leave the skins on potatoes. You get the fiber that way. You can peel them if you would like to. So you just lay them around here. This dish is nice because it's all in one pan. You can make it ahead of time, the night before. And then when you get home the next day, you just pop it in the oven. Now I got my onion. You can use either red onion or white onion to make this dish. If you like a lot of onion, put more. If you don't like so much, then you can cut back. And then I have my red bell peppers. You can use green, you can use yellow if you like. Peppers, onions also give more fiber. You get in your vitamins and nutrients than in the vegetables. All right, so that's all laid there. You're gonna put the rest of the olive oil, garlic, marinade on all of those vegetables then. All right, then I'm just going to cover that with foil and pop it in the oven for about an hour. All right, now we are done. So a nice, easy, quick, heart-healthy recipe to share with your family this month. There's your lemon chicken, one baked dish. Thank you.